What is a male cow called? Answer B. Ox. Which of the following animal species lay eggs? Answer D. Duck. Which animal bears a fur? Answer C. Cat. What do animals require besides air and food to survive? Answer A. Water. A branch of a tree can have green. Answer D. Leaves. What is the name of Earth's natural satellite? Answer C. Moon. What do you call the two nose holes? Answer A. Nostrils. Which body part assists in movement? Answer C. Muscles. Which star is visible during the day and sends light? Answer C. Sun. Which of the following organs covers and protects the whole body? Answer D. Skin. Feet are the part of legs and dash are the parts of arms. Answer D. Hands. The very first operational telephone was invented by? Answer C. Alexander Graham Bell. Which shape looks round? Answer A. Circle. With dark clouds, a combination of dash and lightning is possible. Answer B. Thunder. A cow gives birth to a young. Answer D. Calf. A bird's body part that assists in flying. Answer D. Wings. What do you have in your hands besides four fingers? Answer C. Thumb. Which plant part takes part in photosynthesis? Answer A. Leaf. What type of animals suckle a young one? Answer C. Mammals. Which is the largest animal on land? Answer D. Elephant. At what temperature water starts boiling? Answer C. 100 degrees Celsius. What is the sign that says a dog is happy? Answer C. Wagging tail. Which organ pumps blood in our body? Answer D. Heart. The lightest periodic table element is? Answer C. Hydrogen. An instrument to measure temperature is? Answer C. Thermometer. The concept of pushing something comes within the application of? Answer B. Force. What will be the resulting state if you boil water? Answer A. Steam. After chewing and swallowing, food goes to which body part? Answer D. Stomach. The animal group with scales are? Answer C. Reptiles. Which of the following animal lives most comfortably in the desert? Answer D. Camel. Which of the following material provide the maximum level of transparency? Answer C. Glass. A young one of a frog is called? Answer C. Tadpole. What do you call a skeleton system part that safeguards the brain? Answer C. Skull. Which plant part contains the pigment called chlorophyll? Answer A. Leaf. Which nutrient is essential to build muscles? Answer C. Protein. What is the name of tissues that attach muscles to our bones? Answer C. Tendon. Which of the following scientists introduced the three laws of motion? Answer B. Isaac Newton. Which gas assists in the process of photosynthesis? Answer A. Carbon dioxide. Which bodily system manages our senses? Answer D. Nervous system. The layers of multiple gases surrounding Earth is collectively called? Answer D. Atmosphere. Same kinds of body cells come together to create a? Answer A. Tissue. What is the name of the largest animal on this planet? Answer D. Blue whale. The strongest dog sense is? Answer D. Smell. Which of the following energy types is created due to motion? Answer D. Kinetic energy. The theory of evolution was proposed by. Answer B. Charles Darwin. Which standard unit is used to measure energy? Answer C. Joule. During a circular motion, an object experiences a force away from its center toward the outside. That force is called. Answer D. Centrifugal force. What would you call an animal which eats plants as well as animals? Answer C. Omnivorous. One coiled DNA piece is known as. Answer C. Chromosome. Which energy type depletes gradually? Answer A. Non-renewable energy.